How can I log out of all the devices my Instagram account is logged into?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk through the process of logging out of your Instagram account from all devices. This can be a crucial step in protecting your privacy, especially if you believe your account might be accessed from an unauthorized device.
Why should I log out of all devices?
Being logged in on multiple devices might present a security risk, especially if you're unsure about the security of those devices. By logging out of all devices, you can ensure that your Instagram account is only accessible from your current device. This can be a helpful step if you've lost a device, or simply if you've logged in on a friend's phone and forgotten to log out.
Where to start?
The first step is to open the Instagram application on your current device. It's important to note that the Log Out of All Devices feature is only available on the mobile app, not on the web version of Instagram. So, make sure you're using your smartphone for this.
How do I access my account settings?
Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines, the hamburger icon, in the top right corner of your profile. This will open a side menu. From there, you need to tap on Settings, which is located at the bottom of the menu.
Navigating security settings.
In the Settings menu, you will find a category titled Security. Tap on that. In the Security settings, you will find an option titled Password. Tap on it.
Logging out from all devices.
After entering your password settings, you will see an option at the bottom that says Log Out from All Devices. By tapping on this, you will be prompted to confirm your password for security purposes. Once you've confirmed your password, Instagram will log your account out of all other devices, ensuring that your account is secure. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of all devices where your Instagram account was logged in. This is a great way to keep your Instagram account secure and private. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay safe online, and see you in the next video.